legend continues. The 2026 Toyota GR Supra, an icon of performance, precision, and design, returns for its final edition. This isn't just a car. It's a statement, blending heritage with modern engineering. Today, we explore every detail, from its roaring engine to the advanced technology that makes it extraordinary. The 2026 Supra's design is both aggressive and elegant. Its aerodynamic silhouette slices through the air with precision, while the wide stance and sculpted curves demand attention. The MkV Final Edition adds a touch of exclusivity with matte black 19-inch forged aluminum wheels, carbon fiber mirror caps, and a subtle ducktail spoiler, celebrating the Supra's racing heritage. Every line and curve is not just aesthetic. It's functional, reducing drag, improving downforce, and enhancing high-speed stability. Under the hood, the Supra houses a 3.0-liter twin-scroll turbocharged inline-six engine, producing 382 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. The electronically limited top speed is 155 miles per hour. Drivers can choose a 6-speed manual transmission for pure engagement or an 8-speed automatic for smooth, responsive control. The active rear sport differential enhances traction, while launch control ensures optimized acceleration from a standstill. Driving dynamics are defined by precision engineering. The Supra features a double-joint McPherson front suspension and a multi-link rear setup. Its adaptive variable suspension continuously adjusts damping forces to provide perfect ride balance and handling. Whether on highways or winding roads, the Supra delivers confidence-inspiring agility, allowing drivers to explore the limits safely and comfortably. Inside, the Supra is designed with the driver in mind. The cockpit is ergonomically optimized, placing every control within reach. The Supra Command dial provides intuitive multimedia navigation, while a 12.3-inch digital display shows critical driving information clearly. Racing-inspired seats, premium materials, and advanced connectivity features combine to make the cabin both functional and luxurious, creating a space where performance and comfort coexist seamlessly. The 2026 Supra is available in a variety of striking colors. Matte black offers a stealthy, aggressive presence. Renaissance Red 2.0 catches the eye instantly. Orange and white provide bold alternatives for those seeking individuality. The MkV Final Edition unites these visual cues with performance enhancements, making it a true collector's item and the ultimate tribute to the Supra legacy. The 2026 GR Supra is expected to arrive at dealerships in spring 2025. As the final model of the 5th generation, it marks the end of an era. Production will conclude in spring 2026. Toyota has hinted at future Supra models, though details remain limited. What remains certain is that this generation leaves a lasting legacy, a perfect balance of heritage, design, and driving passion. The 2026 Toyota GR Supra isn't just a sports car. It's a legend, a blend of engineering excellence, design mastery, and pure driving thrill. Whether on the track or the open road, it exemplifies why the Supra name is iconic. The 2026 Toyota GR Supra, the final chapter, the ultimate performance experience.